What's your excuse for not looking this good? It definitely can be because you don't have a basket of all those products you think you need. Let me show you all I used to achieve my full face makeup. Micellar water to cleanse my face. It is best to apply makeup to fresh, clean skin. Before you apply your makeup, use a cleanser or face wipe to remove impurities and dirt from the surface of your skin. Primer to help my makeup apply smoothly, stay in place, and give my complexion an even looking skin tone. Primer is the first step of your makeup routine just after you apply your moisturizer. Foundation to create an even uniform complexion and serve as the base for further makeup application. If you're new here and enjoying the content so far, you are absolutely welcome to my channel. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Love you. Now go ahead, blend your foundation using a brush or a beauty sponge. No matter the tool you use, when it comes to achieving a flawless makeup look, blending is a crucial step. If there is one thing that every makeup lover can agree on, is that blending is key to achieving a seamless look. So take your time, blend very well. Concealer to hide dark circles and blemishes. Here is a makeup tips for you. To correct imperfection, choose a shade that matches your skin tone. And to create that lifting and brightening effect under the eyes, choose a shade that is 1 or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone. Can you see that beautiful brightening effect under my eyes? Girl, I love it. Look at the blend. Everything is just looking seamless. Setting powder to set my cream product, concealer and foundation. This will absorb any excess oil and prevent it from creasing. You can apply your setting powder using a fluffy brush or a sponge. Bronzer to add warmth and dimension to my face. Apply it to the hollows of your cheeks, along the hairline and jawline. Make sure to blend very well for a seamless finish. Eyeshadow to add colors to my eyes. Eyeliner to line my eyes. There are different types of eyeliner: cream eyeliner, gel eyeliner, pencil eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. If you're new to eyeliner application, start with pencil eyeliner. This is like the easiest one for me, and when I'm done using the pencil, I like to go with powder to just smudge it out a little bit, to give me that soft smoky eye effect. Brow pencil to fill in my brows. Now I'm using a concealer brush to conceal and highlight the brow bone area. Make sure you're using the right shade. Lipstick. Blush to add a pop of color to my look. Setting spray to lock in your makeup and ensure it stays fresh throughout the day. Mascara to add length and volume, and the mascara I'm using is from Gentledovecosmetics. And there you have it, all you need for a full makeup glam. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials like this. Until next time, stay fabulous.